let's get right into it. This is another example of weekly range, using weekly range to trade, most especially GBP It works on other forex pairs, but it's much more accurate on GBP So this is first of all, the first thing you need to check. The first thing you need to do is you need to have an overall bias of where you think prices might be heading for that week, right? After you have your overall bias, so far right up until Monday of this week, this is what price has done, right? So this is a higher time frame. I think this is a daily um, order block, bearish order block that rejected price, and price tapped into discounts of this zone here. Because if you use your Fibonacci retracement tool, if you take your fib and drag it from this low up to this high, you can see clearly that price rejected exactly from discounts, and you see that this zone is a zone. This particular zone here is where we have there is a daily bullish order block there that rejected price. So that being said, we've seen that recently price also broke this internal this high here. We got the break of structure here. So what I'm expecting is normally I'll be expecting like a little retracement into this zone, but then it is obvious and it is very clear that price is targeting this buy side because at this point we already know that GBP has already flipped bullish. So we want to see price retest this high here. We want to see price retest this high. Excuse me. So how do you know if price is going to retest that high? So we see what Monday will do. So we draw down to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. So we want to see what price is going to do here. So this is Monday. I need to separate Monday. This is Monday close. This is Monday close. 12 a.m. That's Monday close. That's where Monday close. So we want to see what Monday will do. This first line is Monday open. This second one is Monday close. So I want to see what Monday will do. So go ahead and play it. Okay. So this is all the price action we got on Monday. So you mark out your Monday high and Monday low. Bear in mind that we are bullish, right? We are bullish. So what we want to see, since we are expecting price to go further above, so this is Monday low. This is the lowest point on Monday. This is Monday low. Okay. So write it out. Monday high, Monday low. Monday low and Monday high. So now that we marked out Monday high and Monday low, next thing is to wait and see which of the for our buyers to be correct. Yes, we want to see price read Monday low, right? And also you need to be sure where price might want to tap into, right? Because if you take you can see that this is a low here. Then we got this high. So for you to also know where price will most likely tap into, you take your Fibonacci retracement tool and see where price is going to retrace. Obviously, we need a little bit of retracement after price broke this high to be able to continue the uptrend, right? So you take your fib and drag it all the way to this high. So where is our 0.618 zone? Around this place. But you can see that it is not really clear. It is not really clear which confluences are in this zone, except this this looks like this week. So we can use that like we can use that as to represent like a proportional block. So take your fib. Okay, already we've marked out where our 0.618 zone is, which is here. So I'm going to use like an horizontal line to denote where that 0.618 zone is, which is here. Okay, so that I can take out this fib. So delete the fib. This blue line is our 0.618 zone, that's 0.62 zone, Fibonacci's retracement zone. Then we have this week. So now we take take measurement of that zone of the whole week and mark out. You can see that this is around that zone. We have 50% of that week as well, which is somewhere around there, right? And you can also see that there's a buy side here. That's the buy side. I'm just setting up a bias for the most likely for the zone that price will most likely tap into before we start buying, right? So let me mark out this sell side. Price might want to raid that sell side. So sell side SSL middle center. So we have our SSL there. So now let's see what price will do on Tuesday. So this is Tuesday. Tuesday has opened. This is Tuesday close. We'll move. Of course, I told you when you are trading weekly range, the typical entry day for you to trade is Tuesday. That's the typical entry day. So let's see what happens on Tuesday. So now this is Monday low. Monday low still intact. We want price to read Monday low, right? That's what we want price to do. But not just read it, also tap into discount of this whole range, right? So let's see what price will do. Let's see what price will do. So okay, play. Okay, price read Monday high, Monday low, and boom, exactly what I expected. Price taps into our zone, which is still took out that sell side that I talked about. So now what do? That's exactly where um, um, the ideal place for you to place your entry, if you want to use a limit order, would have been here, exactly at this sell side, and put your stop loss below this 0.628 zone, right? You might even to be on the safer side because we still have like a sell side here also. So to be on the safer side, you might want to put your stop loss below this zone. But I doubt that because that sell side, the one that you see there has already been raided, actually came to raid this one, right? It actually came to raid that low. So we can clearly say that price might not want to go back there. But just in case price wants to misbehave and wants to go there, so it might be safe for you to put your stop loss at that below that zone. So we take our entry just at that zone here. Make sure your stop loss is below this, or if you cannot afford that stop loss, you might just put it. Let's put it at just below it. I think that should be around. I don't know how. That should be around 20 pips. Is this 20 pips? It's cannot be 20 pips. I don't know how XNES calculates their pips because I know if it is. Okay, let's just say put it below here at 0.13%. I don't know how we calculate that in pips, but let's just say we put it at this range. Then we target our first TP is Monday high. Then second TP is that high that I talked about that I said price might want to read. So we leave it at that. So let's see what happens. Play it. Can see what happened. Price went all the way. And I think TP came okay, let's see. What day is this? 9 is Tuesday, right? 9 is Tuesday. Then Tuesday, yes. So this is Wednesday. So our full TP came on Thursday, New York. Full TP came on Thursday, New York session. That's when we had the full TP. So you can see that if we had to use if we want to calculate this with trading view, this should have been like must have been like around 120 pips profit, right? And you can see that price just went all the way without giving us any drawdown, and that's the accuracy that weekly range gives. If you know how to uh, analyze and know where price is supposed to bounce off from, you are going to get a perfect entry without any drawdown whatsoever, provided you are on your bias is correct, that the direction you are expecting price to go, price actually went in that direction. Like in this case now, I might be expecting that GU will sell, right? Because a lot of people were expecting sales. Then all of a sudden, I enter my sell, then boom, GU buys. So that's exactly what I'm saying. First of all, your bias has to be accurate. Your bias has to be correct for this to be accurate. For every other thing concerning weekly range to be accurate. So that's that on weekly range. So you can backtest this and check it out for yourself and see if it works. I've done about 3 videos, 3 weeks. This week that I just went for this one, last week for another one that I did, and the previous week. So when I started noticing weekly range, the accuracy on GU, it has been accurate for the past 7 consecutive weeks, about 6 to 7 consecutive weeks. GU has been accurate with weekly range. So I advise you to go and backtest it and see for yourself. So peace out. I'll be making more of these educational videos and more strategies, and most of my strategies are derived from ICT's concepts, right? Actually, they are not mine. I'm not claiming any ownership of any of these. It is all learned from ICT's concept. So and ICT made trading, like the world of trading, will open up to you in a different perspective. Because I remember when I was still trading price action patterns and support and resistance and all of that, the depth to which I'm seeing price now, I didn't have it then when I was trading all of those SNR. Not to say I don't incorporate SNR and every other concept into my trading, just as an added concept. So like I always tell people that everything works. It just depends on the trader and your personality and the kind of trader that you are. I'm the kind of trader that I'm a very versatile trader. I can trade with any kind of concept, but I prefer IC concepts. So and I use most of all these other other concepts as added confluence to solidify what I'm expecting on the chart. So that being said, please like and subscribe to the channel. It encourages me to drop more videos and do this beyond. So peace. Signing out.